Welcome back, YouTube, Major Way Gang. We're here at Mike Lennon's at the annual car show. So we're gonna do a little walkthrough, guys, today. It's a little hot outside. Got 90, 92 degrees, something like that. So we're gonna do a walkthrough. I'm gonna let y'all see the cars out here today. And y'all have a blessed day and enjoy the show. Okay. The engine in this one. Woo. Look at that, y'all. That's nice. Small block 357, chromed out. Nice wheels. Let me wipe this camera off for y'all. Sorry about that, guys. I had to get the camera wiped out for you. Ooh, wee. This Camaro with this LS motor in it. It's nice. El Camino over here. It's nice. All original. What's going on, Dale? Dale. What's going on? How you doing, man? Mustang over here, guys. $392 over here, Hemi. It's nice too. All done up. Got his airbox done up. Painted up. Punisher. $392 Hemi. It's an RT right here. I like this. 345 Hemi. That's the Cubic. That's nice. Look, he even got the car to match his. That's nice. The exact one, too. I think the car's a Hellcat. That's nice. Hey, you got that RT doing in there. It's nice. It's a Hellcat right here. Mopar. It's nice. Y'all get in the comments and let me know which ones y'all like. I'm gonna walk around. Some of them I'm just gonna kind of glaze through, y'all, because it's hot outside today. And we're gonna try to get as many cars as we can on the channel. And y'all get in the comments and y'all let me know which one that y'all would have picked. First, second, and third place. All right. That's a nice El Camino too, right there. Got the T-tops right here in this Monte Carlo. Yeah, that's real T-tops too. Look like he's working on it, ready to get it painted. That's nice. Like this Cutlass right here. Got the Ruchis on there. Those is nice. Look like it's 24s on the front and 22s on the back. That's exactly what it is. Even got the steering wheel to match. Look at that. Look at the inside in there, y'all. That's nice. Look at the interior. It's done up right. Cutlass. Yep. I like that. That's nice, gang. It's a nice station wagon. It's a Chevelle. It's very nice. He's got the suspension work on the front, where it's lifted up in the front like a race ride. It's very nice. We even got motorcycles out here. Yeah, so like if y'all can see, I'm gonna kind of see, we got cars all the way over there, y'all, all the way around. So give me a little time. When I get over there, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. All right, y'all. All right, Major Way, look at this Nova right here. It's nice. Original.
Here's another good one. The Have a Drink basket.
It's nice.
Have a Drink basket.
All original.
614-3095.
It's got the Rydell's on it.
Oh, somebody's got it over there. I hear him going.
The interior and that. Ooh-wee. That's very nice. Got another Nova over here, SS. I think it's like a 65, maybe 66.
Thank you, my friend, for your donation. Enjoy it.
Y'all get in the comments and see who knows what this one is, what year this Nova is.
Now we're getting in some more good stuff.
AC
Bottle of Woodford Reserve. A Woodford
nice.
Reserve. That might go along with that Have a Drink basket.
$3.50 or it's nice.
Ticket number 614-2762.
That's your car, sir?
614.
Oh, that's not your car.
2762. Anybody got it?
Yours look. Where is it?
I hear somebody.
I do YouTube, sir. So all what I'm doing is going on YouTube.
Sitting all the way back in that corner.
It's over in the corner.
Yeah.
What year is yours?
48 Mercury.
A 48 Mercury
Convertible.
convertible. I'm going to put it on my channel. Okay. Hey, what's going on? You doing all right?
Just left from up there.
I know he's on his way back.
Thank
I
you.
just seen him going down.
Is that your Corvette over there?
Yeah, the white.
I knew it looked like yours. Yep. I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna put it on my channel.
Okay.
Okay. How you doing, man? You doing? Hey!
All right.
Hey! What's up,
From my hometown.
You doing all right?
Just gonna walk past.
Nah, I've been trying to get all the cars and stuff, man, so I can get it on my channel. But is this yours?
No, mine's a red one.
That's your red one over there. All right, I got you. I'm gonna put both of y'all on there. All right, Daddy's coming back though. Yep, he said he went to go get him something to eat at Captain D's.
Oh, yeah,
That's what. Yep, he's coming right back.
Did he bring me something?
I don't know. You gotta ask him, man. You know he ain't. You know he gonna tell you come sit down with him.
Thank you very much for the donation. We appreciate it. Enjoy it. You're welcome.
Like it's S10 or no, sorry, it's not an S10. It's a Chevy. It's the old school Chevy, 1500. It's nice too. It's clean.
I'll take my time, reading slow so we can get them away. First one, 878-961. 878.
Bronco out here. That 34 Ford Coupe, y'all. Let's read the specs on it. Y'all can pause it in the video if y'all want to read it more closer. But this is very nice kit car.
Another one ready for a drink.
Motor look good. Look at the interior on that. That steering wheel on it.
Another bottle of Weller.
Let's see the suicide doors, how they open up.
Ticket number 614.
Nice. Nice car. This your car, sir? That one's yours?
Actually, that one there, I just bought it for my daughter last week.
Oh, okay. You just bought this for your daughter last week? Okay. And this one's yours? And this is a Ford 34 Ford?
That's 34. This is 33.
And this is 33. Okay. Y'all hear that, guys? This one here is a Ford 34. He just bought it for his daughter. And this one here is a Ford 33. This one's his. I like this one. Look at the back of it. Poison Ivy.
We thank you, sir.
I like that.
Enjoy it.
Look at the artwork
But
on
just
it.
not too much.
That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Field of Dreams bourbon. Field of Dreams bourbon. Any bourbon I drink makes me green. But anyway.
Nice motor on it.
177-798. 177-798. Field of Dreams bourbon. We got it? Somebody got it? Yep, he's a coming. Got his hand is shaking in the air. Come on down. Yeah, boy. See some partying going on tonight somewhere. Hey, thank you for your donation. Enjoy it.
Oh, look at that. That's cool. Y'all see that?
This time we got a bottle of Blanton's. Blanton's.
I thought something was actually spilled on this car, y'all.
Ticket number 8.
Sorry about that, guys.
969. 878 969. Anybody got that one? Here we go. Right on the front row.
Ah, that guy that said he had that Mercury Ford, the convertibles, this is it right here.
Thank you, sir.
Earlier in the video, this is the one he was talking about. Yeah. Ooh, wee. I see what he's talking about now. He's got that Coyote motor at 5.0 in there, guys. Ah, he didn't tell me about that. That's nice. Convertible too. This is fully restored right here. Look at the inside of it. Now that's nice. He's even got the shaker radio in there. He's got the steering wheel that came out of a Mustang. That's nice. Y'all see that? Hey, these is even Mustang seats, y'all. Y'all see? The back interior has done up. That's very nice. Took his time with this one. You don't find them like that no more where they sit and they take their time with them like that. Most of the time they putting in LS motors and those Camaros and Chevelles and Cutlasses and stuff like that. But to take your time and do a Mercury like that, hey, I take my hat off to him. I respect him. That's very nice. I like it. Look at this F-150. The Triton. It's done up nice. Kept clean, all original. It's very nice. I bet you it's got low miles on it.
177-688. 177.
Nice car. Mustang.
177-688. Come back.
It's 1937 Plymouth right here. Let me read the specs. If y'all want to pause it in the video, y'all can. This is nice. Nice engine. I like the interior and that. Can't go wrong with the old school dice. Y'all see it? And it's Sierra Classic right here. GMC. Y'all know that's what we just bought, a 2024 GMC. Look at the old school version of it. Been around for a while. Still holding his look. Paint job on this one, guys. It's nice. A nice paint job. Stingray. Y'all see it. All right, guys, we're gonna make our way. We gotta go to Twin Peaks. Today's my uncle's birthday, so we're gonna go over and eat at Twin Peaks with him and his high school friends. So I'll cut the camera back on when we get over there. This is one of my dad's friends from the 502 Corvette Club. Look at the interior on that. It's nice. I think this is a 2LT. And it's a 2023 Stingray R. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. And he's part of the 502 Corvette Club. And if any of y'all got Facebook, y'all go on there and y'all give them a shout out. And that's what it is, 502 Corvette Club. And it's another guy. His name is Mike. He's in their club too. And it's a C7. And it's a Grand Sport. Look at the ground effects on it. That's nice. Nice interior. He's got it all done up. Red seats. It's nice to see his buttons. Pay attention to the details, y'all. Attention to details. Looks nice.
And thank you, Jeff. Let's give him a big hand, too. Thank you very much. All right, it's time to give out the awards. Give out the trophy.
All right, we cut the camera back on when we get to Twin Peaks, guys. See y'all later. Look at this Z06, y'all.
Once again, 177.
All black. It's nice. You know, these got the 5.3 motor in them. This got a supercharge on it. But these is nice. I actually really like this one. I like the black on black. Kind of look like a Batman car.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Interior is nice.
All right, what do we got, Stephanie?
70th. This is a 7. This is the 70th anniversary on this one. Yeah, is this your car? Oh, okay.
And the winner is
That's nice.
6142836.
Look at that Chevelle.
6.
Look at the bottom of the rear end, y'all.
2836.
It's nice.
6142836. Anybody got it? Raise your hand or holler, whoop-de-woo or something so we can see it.
There's the motor in there.
One more time. 6142836. Anybody
nice.
got that? Going once. Going twice.
It's nice. Is that yours? Yeah, let me see it. Yeah, I do YouTube.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, it's got that 5.3 in her, right?
This is Z06. This is the biggest, fastest Corvette they make.
Yeah, I know it. But do you know that it's the 5.3 motor? It's not that. It's not the same. It's not the 6.2.
It's not my car.
Oh, it's not your car. Okay. Yeah. So what it is? So what it is?
5.5.
It's 5.5. Yeah. So what it is, y'all? So what they do in the Z06 is they put the 5.5 motors in her. It's not the 6.2s, but it's got a supercharge on it. So it's not naturally aspirated, you know, like the regular Stingrays. But this is the one right here. I think it's pushing what, 650, 700 horses? Something close to that.
We got another one that's pushing 700 horses.
You got another one pushing 700 horses?
2015.
2015. It's nice, man. Hey, thank you, man. All right.
One-off build.
One-off build.
We did the build sheets.
Uh-huh.
Not another one, there's not another 23 built with the specs. It's got every option you can put on it.
Woo-wee. It's nice. All right, thanks, man. Hit it again. Yes, sir. Nasty. Nasty. All right, man. You have a good one, man. All right.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Put that on the video?
Yep, it's gonna be on Major Way TV. I'm putting it on there today. Go subscribe, Major Way TV.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. What's going on, Major Way? Today we got a BMW Alpina, y'all. Alpina B7. I don't know, but it's nice. It's a bad one right here. I like that. Look at the wheels on it, y'all. Yeah, I like that. It's nice right here. Black, like it. Windows tinted. Look at the interior in there. It's got that peanut butter. Ooh, it's nice. Y'all can y'all see it? Look at that peanut butter interior in there. I like it. It's nice. Nice car. Major way, check this out. It's a slingshot, y'all. 22-inch gold. Man, with the mustard and mayonnaise, y'all, with the gold tile, that's hard. That's nasty. The mustard and mayonnaise on there. So hard. Slingshot, y'all. It's nasty. That's Y'all see it major way. Yeah, it's nasty right there. Yeah, it's hard major way. Them gold ones on there, gang. That's yeah, that's hard major way. Tune back in, y'all, when we get back. When we're gonna go to Cox Park and we're gonna go down here and look at the boats and stuff. I'm gonna cut the camera back on whenever I get back down there. Alright, I'll see y'all later, man. Holla at y'all. Y'all be blessed. What's up, Major Weight TV? Look at this S10, y'all. It's got 17s on it. No new lights. Got the bed on the back. It's clean. Rims on it. I like those lights on there, y'all. Yeah, it's nice. That's how we gonna do our S10, gang. Maybe not the bed on the back, but everything else, I like it. I like the paint job on it. It's nice. Been taken care of. It's a nice S10. Yes, sir. You sang it to an OG. Yes, sir. Check him out, Major Way Gang. He got this F-250. What's going on? But he can't get this boat up. Look how big the boat is. But I think it's the trailer though. Ah, man, check him out, gang. Check him out, gang. He's ready to burn up his rear end. I think the boat costs more than the truck. Whole bed break come up off of it. They tripping, gang. I mean, the trucks are going to water. The trucks are going in the river. You're going to need AAA, y'all. It's a nice boat, though. I hope we get it up out of her. There you go. There you go, gang. There you go. There you go. Big Bertha. Pulling it on up out of her. Big Bertha. Yes, sir. Yeah. I got you, bro. I got you getting it, too. Yep, that's what's up. Yep, I got my own YouTube channel. Yep, Major Way TV. You'll be on there. Look it up. All right, yep. Major Way TV. All right. Got you. Handled that. Yes, sir. Big ass boat. I guess he's built for it tough, y'all.